Introducing yellow oleander, Tivitea peruviana of the family, Apocynaceae. Yellow oleander is a shrub to 3 meters tall. Leaves are alternate, narrow, oblong to linear, glossy, and green. Flowers are large, light yellow, fragrant, and in a terminal cyme. The calyx is five-parted and the corolla is funnel-shaped with five broad lobes. Fruit is hard, angled, and green, turning black. Yellow oleander is native to South America. The entire plant is hazardous due to the presence of several cardiac glycosides, including neripolin, oleandrin, tivitin A, and tivitin B. Yellow oleander consumption can cause hyperkalemia, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and all of the above.